Hello guys, what's up? In this video I will tell you about HTML. After watching this video you will be able to design your own web page. The previous lecture we had discussed about how to download VS Code in your PC. In this video I will tell you about the basic structure of HTML and some basic tags that are used in it. So let's begin. The basic structure of HTML will be just like this. First of all we will write the HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag. Now inside HTML tag I will write the head tag and the body tag. Now if I want to change the title of my web page, I will write the title tag. This is the basic structure of HTML. Now I will go to my VS Code and click on Explorer and select a file name as myweb.html. Now the next thing that you have to install is a live server, which I had already downloaded. When you will click to extension and you will download the live server from here. When you will install it and enable it, a pop-up icon will appear named as Go Live. When I will click it, our web page will be automatically been opened. Now you can see that our web page is live now. Now I will write the basic structure, which is HTML. Inside the HTML I will write the head tag. Now if I want to change the title of my web page, I will just simply write the title. Now inside the title I will write my new web. Now I am gonna save it and refresh it. Now you can see that the title is completely changed to my new web. Now the next tag that I will write will be the body tag. Now in this lecture we will discuss about 6 heading tags. There are around about h1 to h6 heading tags. So first of all I will write h1 heading tag, h2 heading tag, 3 heading tag, 4th heading tag, 5th heading tag, and the last one is 6th heading tag. Now I will write heading inside it. Now I will copy this. Now I will gonna paste it. Again paste it. And again paste it. Again paste it. And again paste it. Now I am gonna save it. Now you can see that the first heading is more prominent and bold than the second one, and the second one is more bold than the third one, and up to h6. In your web page, heading shows importance. So the next tag that I will discuss will be paragraph tag, which stands for P. So I will write P. Now inside P I can write whatever content I will like. So I will write lorem. Lorem are some words of italic and Latin. Now I'm gonna save it. Now I will give some spaces here. Now I'm gonna save it. Now you can see that there are no change in the paragraph tag because in P tag blank spaces are ignored. Now I will use a tag name as pre, which means pre-formatted. Now inside pre I will write lorem again and I will save it. Now I will give some space here and instead of lorem. Now I'm gonna save it. Now you can see that in pre tags blank spaces are not ignored. That's how we will use the pre tag. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be bold, italic and underline tag. Now first of all I will write P. Inside P I will write B, which stands for bold. Now I will write lorem again. Now I'm gonna save it. Now you can see that the words are bold than the previous one. That's how we will use P tag. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be italic tag, which stands for I. The P tag I will write I, and inside the I will write lorem again. Now I will save it. Now you can see that the words are italic now. That's how we will use an italic tag. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be an underline tag, which stands for U. I will write P. Inside P I will write U, which stands for underline. Now in the underline tag I will write lorem again, and now I will gonna save it. Now you can see that the words are underlined now. For example, if I want to give another space in here, I will write the BR tag, which stands for line break. I will write BR. I will gonna save it. Now you can see that a space has been added. Now if I want a horizontal line in it, I will just write HR, which stands for horizontal line. Now I am gonna save it. Now a horizontal line has been impaired. That's how we will use horizontal and BR tag. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be subscript tag, which stands for S, the script. Now I will write S, and inside say S I will write lorem, and I'm gonna save it. Now you can see that the difference between underline and subscript tag is just like this, that the underline is below the word and the underline is between the words. That's a little bit difference between S and U tag. Now the last tag I will discuss will be paragraph tag. For example, I want the lorem or this particular statement to be highlighted by some color. So I will write the mark tag. I will use P. Inside P I will write mark, and I will close it. Now inside the mark tag I will write lorem again, and I will save it. Now you can see that all the words are highlighted. That's how we will use the mark tag. That's all for now. Take care. Goodbye.